You see the more like I can talk to you on the phone. Right? This is cool. I can talk to you on the phone. Like I don't know why, but I can talk to you on the phone. It gotta be a mental thing. But you see the moment this camera turns on and points at me. I don't know what the hell to say. I'll be honest. I don't know what to say. Like I started like um losing my words, slurred speeches, all of that. The moment this camera looks at me, I don't know what to say. So I need to go to the car wash now, right? And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna break down this camera and just take the camera with me because I have a wide angle lens. Look at the size of this. You know, long. Well, it's not gonna take long, but I gotta pull apart all this camera. Like I gotta pull apart even the what you call that little thing there? We call it a little thing there. A little thing, the focus puller. I gotta pull across even the focus puller. I gotta pull apart just to put a smaller lens on this camera. But I could just remove it a bit. But man, this camera thing is wild. A lot of people don't tell you this. It is wild. Like you wanted to like do. I started out doing like vlogs. Right, vlogs cool. Shit. I started out doing vlogs, and then I bought a side angle, and then I got a top. I got like three top handles now for this camera. I got a first top handle, and then after getting a top handle, there was something wrong with it. And I reached out to the company and be like, hey, there's something wrong with your top handle. And they sent me a new top handle that came with like a NATO rail. And I was like, oh, this is cool. And then they hit me up back and they were like, hey, we have this top handle. Would you like to try this top handle for us and just tell us what you think about it? I was like, I bet they sent me a top handle. And then they were like, this is what you like. I gave them my feedback. It was pretty good. And then they were like, all right, let me send you another top handle. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere though. Oh, I got another side handle. I was like, oh, this is cool. No, they sent me a side handle. And I was like, all right, this is cool. Then they were like, you like it? I was like, yeah. Then they were like, all right, let me send you a cage. I was like, bet. They sent me a cage. I was like, that's cool. Another company reached out to me and it was like, hey, um, would you like be interested in like testing products? Bet. So 1 year later, and I have is it two or three of these cameras I have now. I sold one. I have two more built out exactly like this. And I'm socially awkward and I can't film myself. And I reach out to like film other people. I was like, hey, I'm pretty good at editing. I'm pretty good at editing and I'm pretty good at um shooting people. So if you ever need like a podcast or need work done, hit me up. I was like, all right, just hit me up and I'll take care of you. Like I'll do all this shit for you. A few people hit me up, but they're not serious. They're not serious about working. Conflict of calendar and all of that stuff. So I'm not saying I want to work with more people because I'm more just interested in the cameras. And my most viral video is talking about cameras. I do I like talking about cameras? Nah, I just like shooting people. That came out weird. That came out very weird. But I just like shooting. Let me catch my face a bit. Better. I just like shooting stuff, and I'm pretty good at shooting stuff. So if you ever need camera work, you let me know. But I build this bad boy out. It is. I don't think there's anything else to add to this camera, to be honest. What else? Like the only thing left to add to this camera. Oh, don't break it. The only thing left to add to this camera is maybe uh a Wi-Fi. What do you call it? The what whatever you need to shoot video, whatever you need to send video, the wife the what bruh, what's it called? The Wi-Fi transmitter. And I don't have a DP. There's no one else looking at my camera. And if I ever needed like a second screen, I just use my phone. I just like use my goddamn phone and just I can focus pull from my phone. I can do everything from my phone. That's why I try to sell my monitor. I got a big monitor right here. It's pretty heavy. I try to sell this monitor, but people be lowballing me. So no, I'll keep it. I'm not selling it. I'm not selling this for dirt cheap. I'm not doing that. No. But yeah, so this is my baby. I haven't named her. And I think it's time for FX6. Yeah. Why? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I need an FX6, but it's probably time for FX6. But yeah, so I suck at content creation. I suck. I'm a perfectionist, and if I shoot a video and it doesn't come out how I want it to come out, I get like mad, and then I don't release the video. But if you ever need camera work in the Baltimore area, hit me up. I'm pretty good with this stick, but I don't like shooting myself. So, yeah, introduce myself again. Hey, I'm Carl. I'm a video. What the fuck am I? Am I a video editor, video shooter, what's the term? Man, I shoot videos. Man, I shoot videos, man. Like I'm pretty good at it too. I can show you like client works I did. Most of my videos I post on social media are like reaction videos and stuff that's going on in my mind, whatever it's going on in my mind. But I need a village. I need people who like to shoot video to like hit me up and be like, hey, I got cool things I want to talk about. Can you shoot? I was like, yeah, I can shoot. But so far, this camera just gathers dust. This camera just gathers dust. Ooh, well, wait a minute. I see people with like shoulder rigs. Hmm. Is that the new move? Do we turn this into a shoulder rig? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I can I can get a screen. Yeah, I can definitely adjust the screen. Wait, where are you there? I can definitely adjust the screen to be in front of me. I got oh oh is this the next stage of building cameras? Like building shoulder rigs? Is this it? I can pull focus right here. Wow. I'm afraid of this top handle though. I think this top handle is gonna break. I don't think this top handle is strong enough. So I might just mount the screen on this side. Ah, shoulder rig, shoulder rig. The next move is definitely shoulder rig. Like, why? I don't know. It just looks cool, and I'm gonna do it. Do I need to do it? No. Ignore the company shirt. I used to work for this company like probably 4 years ago or 5 years ago. It's the shirt is mad comfy, and I use it as an indoor shirt. But man, social media is so crazy, bro. Like my videos be like I would create a nice video. The storyline sucks. I need to work on my storyline. The storyline sucks. But I work on a nice video, I get like 15 views. And I just talk trash, like I'm talking trash here, and I just get like a couple thousand views. Why? Why? Why do y'all not like my art? Anyway, it's dark outside and I need to go to the car wash. It's a bad idea to go to the car wash at night. I wasted 2 hours on the couch because I know I needed to go to the car wash and I didn't go to the car wash. So now I'm like, do I go to the car wash? Do I not go to the car wash? This shit sucks, bro. But if you're like me and you're thinking about building out a camera, don't, don't. Like the focus pull on the side. Here it is. There's a manual focus puller on the side, right here, right? And the only thing I use this focus puller is for the zoom on the lens because I pull focus on my monitor or my phone. I don't manually pull focus. So I just use it for the zoom. And the zoom is very hard to like twist your hand to get the zoom you want. It's difficult to do that. So I use it for the zoom. And I rarely use this battery, this big battery on the back of the camera. I rarely use it because my camera, like I have like 8 batteries for my camera. My camera really like I've never drained a battery completely doing a shot shoot. So one of these batteries can run my camera for probably like an hour and a half. I've never done a shot longer than an hour and a half. So I never needed to like unless I was using the battery and then I didn't charge it and then I went to a shoot with the battery. That's the only reason I use my external battery. So I don't use it. This ND filter, I took the filters out because I was just about to do a shot at dark in the night. So I have them. There are some nice glasses that goes in there. I use them in the day. They're very beautiful in the day. Top handle. This is a nice mic, but I don't use it. Why? Because I use the DJI Bluetooth mics. Because sometimes I'm pretty far away from my clients or far away from myself. Monitor. Do I need a monitor? No. Why? Because I can't focus pull on the monitor. Yeah. Come on. Like, that's why everyone buys the Shinobi monitor. Why can I have focus pull on the monitor? The monitor is just for viewing. And it's 5.5 inches big. I don't need that much screen. It's getting heavy, I'm not gonna lie. I don't need that much screen. I just use my phone. Like most of the time, I'm viewing the video on my phone, I'm pulling focus on my phone. That's it. What else on this monitor? I don't know. I do use the side handle, as you see me holding it here. What else? Lens is pretty good. I use Sigma lenses. I love Sigma lenses. Focus sucks. Hey, Sigma, fix that shit. The focus is fast, but it sucks. Like in the sun, focus in the sun sucks. That's the truth. That it sucks. You gotta watch your focus. You have to have a monitor like this phone and watch your focus, because you will lose focus in the sun. Especially if you switch clients, like if you move the client and bring in a new client, trash. Focus trash in the sun. In the dark, no complaints. In the sun, loses focus. What else on this camera is useless? The mic again, great mic. I don't use it. It's super surreal. The mic is super surreal. What I mean by that is, zoom back in. Yeah, the mic. I don't want you to see too much in my bathroom. The mic is pretty good. The mic on this camera, this mic you're looking at, it's pretty good because it makes just like how you sound. That is exactly how you sound on the mic. It mixes it perfectly. Exact how you sound. This is how you sound on this mic. So the mic, what kind of mic is it? It's a Sony mic. Where is it? Bam. Focus. Don't be a Sigma lens. That's the mic. It's a Sony mic. And I don't have a dead mouse. That's what you call it? That's why they call it dead mouse. I don't have a dead mouse. I use this, and this is pretty good. I've never heard wind noise with this. It's pretty good. But hey, I was about to shoot a vlog at the car wash, going to the car wash, and then I figured out my phone got a good camera. Defeat the purpose, doesn't it? So I'm gonna leave the camera and it's dark outside. Damn, I wasted the entire day. I'm not going to the car wash. And I said I was going to the car wash. Oh my, I want to stay on my cook. Wasted an entire day. But yeah, so if you're thinking about building out a rig, just get your camera and a lens. Like that's it. I swear to God, that's all you need. A camera and a lens and a filter. I have a ton of filters because I like an ND filter for the other lens. But this lens is like much wider. This lens is like a 72. So I have 72-inch filter for this. So I have two variable filters now. And then I have for my birthday, I got bought a bunch of filters. So I got like 15 filters, different kind of filters. So I got, and then I use this filter primer, the square. I can't go for it, right? I'm too lazy for that. But there's a big glass that comes in this. I got like two of them. I think I got a 64 and a 4. A 64 and a 4, and they're pretty decent. They're very good. They're very good. They're not decent. They're very good. I have a 64 and an 8. And if I ever needed like more than a 64, I just add the 64 and the 8 together. And that turns into like I don't know, but the math's not matching. Adding the 4 and the 64 together, beautiful. I wonder that's the reason why I lose focus in the sun, because I double the filters. See, we getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. So, hey, I don't shoot music videos. I shoot a music video. I shot a music video already. Oh my god, dude. Dude got live guns pointing at me. Sir, please take your enough for chica. Like, no, 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 no. But not gonna lie. This looks pretty cool. And I think this is the next thing I'm going for, a shoulder rig. Do I need a shoulder rig? No, but it looks cool. It looks professional. It looks like I can get exactly how much money I asked for doing a shot. Like, hey, how much money you want to do this shot? 100 grand. Yep, I'm gonna pay that. Dude looks professional. Next thing is a shoulder rig. So next time you see me, you'll see me with a shoulder rig. But hey, You can ask me about the breakdown of this. I think I can get the parts right, but I just got bored and built this camera. And I'm gonna take one more look and see if I want to go to the car wash. Might be nice. Probably too late, but bye. I don't know why I just said bye like that, but whatever, bro. I get more videos when I talk about camera than talk about my boring ass life. So here's the rig. Ask me whatever you want to ask me about the rig. If you're in the Baltimore area and you want to get a shot, if you got podcasts, you know, you want someone to follow around you for the day, shoot you, whatever your gang's up to. Whatever. I'm pretty professional. I'm always late, whatever. Um, I don't know. But in the comments if you need camera work. Get out of my face, bro. Go brush your teeth or some shit. Get out of my face, bro. Bye.